Need to bring contact and company data into Hubspot at the same time? Let's go through how to import and link multiple objects in one file. So in order to do that, you first need to head over your Hubspot homepage and click on this search bar to go over to Contacts. So search Contact right here, and then from in there, head over and click on Contacts on the apps. Once you have clicked on that, you will be redirected right here into your Hubspot contact. Now, into this case, what we need to do is we just need to start import. So for this case, click on this Add Contacts, click on Import, and after that, you will be redirected to a new page for the data integration itself. Now, onto this case, you can import a file, transfer data, transform and sync from apps as well. Head over and click onto this Import a File, and then import one file that you want to use. You can also choose the objects that you're importing, such as contacts or companies, or deals and companies only. Once you have uploaded that, Hubspot will display a mapping screen, so you can map each column to the correct object and property, and then review its association. After that, you can finish the import. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for Hubspot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.